so sorry. I know I've been gone for such a long time, but your girl is juggling school, work, student orgs, and mental, personal health, all the above. So life does get stressful, but I just want to put out a disclaimer. This video is not a tutorial. This is just a quick little video of me trying out the Revlon One Step Blow Dryer, I think it's called. Again, I'm going to have everything I used in the description box below. But yeah, this is going to be a quick video. Yeah, not a tutorial, just me showing you guys how I achieved the best blow dryer I've ever had in my life, y'all. This blow dryer is amazing. I love it. I love it. I would never use anything else ever in my life again. Well, let's not say never, because something else might come around that's better, but y'all, I love this blow dryer. It's my hair, like, it's amazing. It was amazing. And if you don't have it and you're a natural girl, go get your hands on this blow dryer. It literally is a godsend. I appreciate the Black Queen that was at Revlon that inspired this blow dryer. But yeah, that's enough rambling. So pretty much I realized I hadn't shown you guys any of the blow dryer I was doing. So thankfully I realized that on the last section of my hair. So pretty much what I'm doing is spritzing my hair with a very diluted mixture of rice water and regular water. And then after that I go in with my oil, which is 3 mixtures of olive oil, corn oil, and castor oil. Yeah. And I am going in again, detangling my hair. My hair was thoroughly detangled when I was washing it because I did not want my hair to snag. I was really nervous trying out this blow dryer. Even though naturals that I trust are raving about it, I still was cautious because, you know, everybody's hair reacts different to different things. So yeah, but guys, after using this blow dryer, I fell in love. At first it wasn't doing anything and I'm like, why is it not blow drying my hair? But my hair is a little thick. But after like a few passes, y'all, my hair felt like butter, silky, smooth. Look at the comb just gliding through my hair. Y'all, this is the best blow dryer I've ever used. I'm never using anything else again. Look at my hair, like this. Ugh, I'm in love. But yeah, thank you so much for sticking with me. For those of you who have, I really hope you enjoyed this little quick video. I promise I will be back. I love you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. I will be back.